Definitely one of those ones, the more you do, the easier and more fluid the action becomes, but it does take that little bit of trial and error. So we're going from straddle and then we're stagging, but whatever leg's coming out in front of us, that leg's staying straight, and the legs aren't just like flopped and then moving, they're actively pulled towards the floor the entire time. Then whatever leg's out in front of you, you're going to rotate into that leg. And then we're using that, pulling our way back out, whipping the leg out into straddle, and then switching in towards the other side. Now, we're thinking of the rotation coming from the top down, from the feet to the hands, probably better said in this equation to not make it as convoluted. Now, what we're doing is we're rotating as much as we can through the legs, through the hips, through the T-spine, but trying to keep the shoulders for the better part fixed. If they are going to rotate, it's the very last thing, not the very first thing. And you almost want to feel that you're like winding yourself up to the point that you want to explode back to center. And yeah, the more you kind of switch between the positions, the more rhythm you get with it, the more you'll get out of the positions. But just make sure that the legs are forever pulled towards the ground, irrelevant of what position that they're in at the time.